come back with cooking with Bouka. Today we're making a vegetable stew with red beans, black beans, coconut milk, a lot of vegetables we have on hand here. We got bell peppers, we got zucchini, we got squash, we got potatoes, we got onions, we got carrots, we got organic coconut oil, we got regular coconut milk, which is organic. That's gonna go both into the stew, and to enhance the food for starch, we're making organic brown rice with three-way organic quinoa, and we're gonna get it started. We also have okras as well too, some organic okras from the farm, as we talked about. Show you little guys how we go by chopping up these stuff. Hope I don't cut my finger off. So for a stew first, we're gonna dice these. All of these are gonna get diced. Okay, we're not julienne anything for a stew. Try to keep everything uniform. So we're gonna dice all of these. Okay, be careful with fingers as well. And we will be right back for you guys to see the other part where we're going to put the stuff into the pot. Alright, so we're making the rice right now, so we add some of the coconut milk in there. Now we're adding some of the organic coconut oil in there as well. It's a little bit for flavor. Stir them up. Now we're going to add the quinoa, because the quinoa can cook at the same time as this brown rice, because normally the brown rice take a little longer to cook. Okay? So, quinoa, that's enough. Superfood, quinoa anyway. Stir them up. Don't forget salt, if you eat salt. And all this dish that we're preparing today is vegan. It's 100% vegan. Okay? Alright. Alright, so we're making this stew. I figure more this is very important for you guys to know this part of the making this stew. I normally remove this from it, okay? Because this is like give it excess water and make the stew more watery and taste less than seasoned that we want it to be. So I normally just remove this from out of it. And for another reason again, this cook longer than just the regular in the middle. So I try to take the middle out of it, okay? Don't do that at home, okay? Alright. So you can see this side is very more hearty than this side. This side is soft. Alright, so we're on the stage where we're going to sweat off these vegetables, or if you want to call it, saute them off a little bit. First thing I do, I kind of burn my onion with the organic coconut oil, a little bit of olive oil, because I like to cook with olive oil, and not cook at a high temperature when you're cooking with olive oil. I got a bay leaf in here as well too, for flavor. You could use bay leaf, or you could use some allspice seeds. But the reason why I'm not using allspice seed right now, because they probably look almost close to the black beans. You don't want somebody to bite into one of those. Not taste so good, but you can bite into it. So I spread off this till I kind of get them translucent, and I'll lose a little bit of the water out of it. Then I add my stew. This is kind of more like the vegetables will take a little bit longer to cook. So I add these in here. It all depends on how you want, your vegetable to be cooked, okay? Some people like it to be extra crunchy, while some like it to be soft. I like mine to have just a little bit of crunchy side of it. Stir it around, saute, flames up a little bit more. I got my coconut milk right here. Gonna go in there later. My black bean right here, gonna go in there later. And you can't forget the main flavor ingredients, the okra. Make it come together, It gets sticky. Yeah, that's what we liked about that, okra. Most of the ingredients that we use, I always try to use okra in whatever I'm cooking. Yeah. now we sweat this off. We'll get it to sweat off, you know, where we want it. So add the rest of the ingredients. And don't forget, this is 100% vegan. Okay? 100% vegan. Okay. Alright. So you see that? That's what we're looking for in the veggies, okay? Nice, a little bit of color. Not too overcooked that some of them is like breaking apart. Everything is together. So now we're gonna add the okra. Okras in. Stir them up a little bit. You can add whatever amount of coconut milk you want. I like coconut milk. I cook with a lot of coconut milk and coconut oil when I'm cooking. So this is like a cup and a quarter. I'm gonna put all of it in there. Why not? Let's make it nice, right? Yeah. And as I told you before, this is 100% vegan. So the Rastas in Jamaica, Rastafarian, love this food. You know? A lot of vegetable, a lot of protein which come from the beans. So my beans is already cooked from yesterday. So I don't want to add it now. I'm going to let this cook for 5 minutes. And then I'm going to add the bean inside of it and then stir it on a little bit, cook it for another 3 minutes. And then it's finished. Okay? Okay. So this is the consistency we're looking for. You see that? Nice, consistent. You see that? Nice. So now is the time for us to put the beans in. Let it cook for 2 to 3 more minutes. You know, the okras look good, giving off a lot of nice thickness. So beans added to it. And yesterday we cooked the bean. We put a bay leaf in there. We put some garlic. We put some onions. Just to flavor it up. We didn't put any salt in there when we're cooking the beans overnight, okay? So that's it. So we're gonna let it sit. You see, come together? Perfect. Look at that. Perfect. Come together the way it's supposed to. And later on we're gonna make a plate and show you what the end product is like. Alright, this is the end product of what we're doing in today. So I garnish with fresh basil leaf from the garden, some toasted sesame seed, black and white. You can come and get a closer view. Very delicious, very healthy, you know. This is the end of the video. Please subscribe, share, leave a comment, check the links, and if anything that you like for us to cook, please leave it in the comment. Thank you.